During Interpack 2026 in Düsseldorf, Sidel presented solutions for modern packaging lines, from packaging design and line engineering to PET bottle blowing, packing and palletizing.
Sidel is part of the Tetra Laval group and is around a 5,000 people company, 1.8 billion revenues. We are a global supplier of complete solutions from beverage to home, personal care and home care markets. So we really deliver complete lines from packaging design, line engineering, including all equipment from blowing, PET bottle blowing, down to palletizing for all those markets.
How do your solutions help producers improve efficiency and flexibility?
Thanks for the question. That's a very important point we want to tackle here today, showing how Sidel is improving main challenges and helping customers simplifying operations. That's for sure one of the problems we are solving with the innovations we are showcasing here at Interpack 2026. We are presenting 2 robotic innovations for packing and palletizing, simplifying operations and improving flexibility, overall performance of machines.
Why is automation becoming more important in packaging lines?
Well, our customers are all in the need of improving performances, overall efficiency of their lines. And automation is by far the most important challenge that as a machine builder we are taking on us to deliver better machines, better efficiencies and overall performances to our customers. So we are really working hard on data collection, which can deliver predictive maintenance and a lot of feedback from machines being used for planning and improving customer operations.
Why is Interpack an important event for Sidel?
Interpack is a very important event as it's an international show, a trade show, and as an international player, we believe this place is the right one to showcase our innovations and to bring together technologies with market needs. So to meet customers, discuss, present, and finally place our products on those different markets: beverage, food, home care, and personal care.